Hello everyone, my name is Ali. I'm an asset creator at Unreal Engine for Marketplace. I create 3D packs and their tool to help and support game developers to achieve the required task in short amount of time. And a couple weeks ago, I decided to move my work to Unity Asset Store as well to help and support more developers. And thanks to Ramiz, he was very welcoming for these collaborations and he did his best to convert all the tools, models and materials to Unity. I will leave you now to Ramiz for further explanations. I hope you enjoy it and like it. Back to you, Ramiz.
So our modular warehouse asset supports all rendering pipelines, whether it is the built-in render pipeline or it's the HDRP or URP. So based on your current project, you can decide that. For me, this project has been created using the HDRP. So once you imported the package from Window Package Manager, the warehouse modular, you will see the binary Lunar folder. Inside it, you will see the warehouse modular. Inside it, the install. You choose the suitable render pipeline for you. For me, I imported the HDRP, then go to the scenes, warehouse modular, HDRP to reach the scene that you're seeing now. And it's a very simple asset that allows you to create any warehouse you dream about. You can start by using the prefabs already in the scene. So let's start by the warehouse modular prefab. This can be built using the runtime or in the edit mode, so it's up to you. Let's move this to somewhere empty and start building our warehouse. I'll just start randomly placing the items or the walls and corners. We can large wall, window, door, window, corner left corner, sorry. Also, you can delete any part immediately by clicking on the delete last part. I wanted to do a right corner, then left corner. Let's do a garage frame, maybe left corner. Then we reached the corner here. It might be a tricky bit, but we built all the tiny pieces that requires to close the warehouse loop. So if we try the left corner, as you can see, we still needed to push it a bit more. So we can delete the last part and add a tiny wall, then try again the left corner. Now it works fine, but still this empty space, we can add another tiny wall here and it's closed now. Then for the ceiling, you can go to the prefabs, models, and select the SM ground 4x4. Just drag and drop it in the scene. Then lift it on the Y-axis till it covers the top of the warehouse. Then you can go to the Y view of the camera to look from top down and use the middle button to move around. Just place it where you want to fit and press R to use the scales and scale it to portions that covers all the warehouse. This is first portion. I duplicate using Ctrl D, then move it here. Press R, now scale it again. Seems everything is fine now. And as you can see, since we are in the play mode, all the doors are interactive. So I can open the warehouse, the garage door, or inside and close it. And also the doors are physics interactive. So if your character have collider, the doors will automatically open and close based on the physics. And now let's check another feature, which is combining the warehouse to be just one mesh. That will save resources and will be more performant. So to do this, let's select our warehouse modular. Here there is mesh combiner. It's a free asset which we got from the Unity asset store, and we redesigned it to work perfectly with our asset. All the things you need to do, if you want to keep the doors interactable, we just need to exclude them so they don't merge with the mesh. So we just need to add the doors. First, let's lock the warehouse modular so we can keep seeing the mesh combiner. Select first door, just drag it to the mesh filter to skip. Now we got this door. Then we need to get the garage door and both buttons. And finally, we need the back door with the double back door. Select one of those, the other side, then drag them to mesh filter skip. Then by clicking combine meshes, it will be combined to one mesh. As you can see now, it's one piece. So you can move it around as one piece. Let's add some decorations. All the decorations are available in the models folder. We can add dumpster somewhere here. Let's add some AC. Here one, maybe. You can duplicate and place it somewhere else. Maybe here. Cool. And there are AC units which should be above the warehouse. Then we can link between those using the AC pipes. Now let's do a pipe that connects both of those. Let's go to the AC pipe modular. Move this here. Want it up. Then we simply unlock the warehouse modular, which we locked before. Now we can see the pieces of the AC pipe we can create. Let's start with the large one and place it somewhere suitable, like here maybe. Then you can start building the pipe. Same can be applied for the water pipelines, the water pipes, sorry. Then you can use the buttons to add more sections to it, maybe medium, small. Additionally, you can control all the colors of the warehouse, and we have already created some prefabs for the materials so you can change the colors to nice colors easily. All what you need to do is select your warehouse, drag here, warehouse modular 2, warehouse 3. This is a colors preset we have created. But of course you can change to anything you imagine. I mean combination of colors. So if you want to change this, you didn't like this preset, just click on the material. And we have set a lot of properties to control all the colors freely. The wall color, see, any grade, any value. And the bottom also can be changeable to any value you like. So since this one is warehouse 7, we should apply the same material to the doors. But of course you need to change the door color to something suitable. Cool. And the garage door now. Yeah, I know those colors are not nice. I'm just demonstrating to you guys. So this is the idea, and more fun or more details that can be added is by installing from the package manager Polybrush, which allows you to add dirt to the warehouses, which make them feels realistic or having a natural dirt on them, not crystal clear warehouses. So you can go to the package manager, Unity registry, and search for Polybrush, install that. And now if you go to the tools, Polybrush window, and select the paint tool, then change the color to maybe, usually the dirt can be a dark brown, so go somewhere here. Then we can start adding dirt. See the details here? You can make any warehouse unique by adding different dirt color at different places, just select the mesh you want to paint it, select the mesh painter, and draw a dirt wherever you want. So with these features, you can create an endless possibilities of warehouses. Of course, you can add 2 floors warehouses. We created all these prefabs using the same technique. So you can roam around and check all the warehouses we have created. But there is one important note. If you did the warehouse while you are in the play mode, you need not to forget to save the mesh, which we combined. So after you combine meshes, be careful. Make sure you click the save combined mesh, or otherwise you will lose the warehouse you built. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you found this asset useful, you can buy it immediately from the Unity Asset Store.